Power functions work in the same way as direct variation, where A is your constant of proportionality. And a power function is anything where y is equal to this A constant multiplied by x to an exponent. So here is a question. The volume of a sphere varies directly with the cube of its radius. If sphere A is 288 centimeters cubed and has radius 4, determine the radius of circle B with volume 70.3 centimeters cubed. Now in these sorts of questions, don't assume to use the regular formulas for volume, area, etc. because they'll want you to find the actual value of A, so they won't have used pi as the ratio. So first let us set up our equation. We know it's a cube. So V equals AX to the 3. So we need to determine A. So we'll substitute our volume and our radius as V and X. So we have 288 equals A, we don't know what that is yet, times 4 cubed, which means we have 288 equals 64A. If we divide both sides by 64, we end up with A equaling 4.5. And then we use this value to determine the answer for the second sphere. So the volume of our second sphere is 70.3. And we know that has to equal A times our radius, and A is 4.5, and then our radius is going to be cubed. So we need to divide both sides by 4, and we end up with R cubed equaling 15.62 repeating. So R is going to be the cube root of 15.62, which gives us 2.5 centimeters. So in summary, always use your general form of the equation. Don't assume any volume or area formulas. Substitute to find A, then substitute that value in to find your answer.